Well, once again, good morning, children. And I'm really happy to see all of you. Are you all happy to be back in class? Yes? Okay. So what we are going to do now is let's begin the class by singing a song. How many of you remember the song, I Am a Music Man? How many of you remember the song, I Am the Music Man? Okay. Janish Reddy remembers it. Pratham remembers it. All right. So let's go and sing it. If you don't know, listen to me the first time and then you can sing the second time. All right. If you want, you can stand also, children. Well, the song goes like this. I am the music man. I come from far away. I can play. What can you play? I can play the piano. Then let us hear you. Pia, pia, piano, piano, piano. Pia, pia, piano, pia, piano. Got it? It's very simple. I am the music man. I come from far away. I can play. What can you play? I can play the piano. And how do we play the piano? Everybody show me your fingers. Okay, so we use our fingers to play the piano. All right, gently we press the keys of the piano. All right. Well, let's get started again now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. I am the music man. I come from far away. I can play. What can you play? I can play the piano. Then let us hear you. Pia, pia, piano, piano, piano. Pia, pia, piano, pia, piano. And the next one is piccolo, and the piccolo goes like this. Okay, I am the music man. I come from far away. I can play. What can you play? I can play the piccolo. Then let us hear you. Picco, picco, piccolo, piccolo, piccolo. Everybody, come on. I need to see your fingers. Keep it like this. Get both your fingers. Now, you only need to have your thumb and your little finger. Everybody show me your thumb and the little finger. Thumb and the little finger. Okay, and then join these two. Join these two. Very good. Okay, and then we do like this. Picco, picco, piccolo, piccolo, piccolo. Picco, picco, piccolo, picco, piccolo. Very good. Clap hands for yourselves, everyone. You did a good job. You can sit down. Janish Reddy, you can sit down. Looks like you had a very good time. I saw you dancing. Good job. Okay, children. Now, before we start the class, okay, we are just going to quickly revise something that we did before the exams. And that is about this, that. Okay, now I'm going to ask you a question. If you know the answer, raise your hand. When do we use this and when do we use that? For example, I have something here with me. Okay, I have a spoon. Now, when will I use this and when will I use that? If you know the answer, raise your hand up, please. Okay, Pratham, you want to unmute? Unmute, Pratham. Yes, Pratham? Okay, now the spoon is where? Where is the spoon?
Near.
Near, very good. So if something is near to me, what do I use?
Spoon.
Yes, the spoon is close by to me. So if something is close to you, should I say this is a spoon or that is a spoon?
This is.
Very good. Can you say the full sentence, Pratham?
This is the spoon.
We say this is a spoon. This is a spoon. Very good. Okay, now you can mute yourself. Now the spoon is far away from me. Do you see? The spoon is very far away from me. If something is far away, what do we use? Abhilash, unmute yourself. Now the spoon is far away.
And that is a spoon.
Very good. Can you say that again?
That is a spoon.
Wonderful. Very good. Now, I have, actually, you can mute yourself, Abhilash. Now, I have more than one spoon. One spoon, many. Who knows the answer? Okay, I will let you unmute, okay? So if you know, you can unmute yourself and you can answer. One spoon, many?
Many spoons.
Wonderful, many spoons. Good job, Nivedan. Everybody need to repeat this after Maria ma'am now. One orange, many oranges.
Many oranges.
Yes, many oranges. Okay. Yes, Kanak. What do you want to say? Okay, I'll show you something, Kanak. Now, what is this? Kanak, what is this?
Box.
Okay, I have only one box, right? Jitendra, unmute yourself and tell me one box, many, many.
Many boxes.
Very good. One box, many boxes. Okay, so now I'm going to explain another one. I'm so happy that all of you remember what I taught you last time. Now, I'm going to teach you something else today, something new today, okay? Now, listen to me. If I have one spoon, I say this is a spoon, right? This is a spoon. If I have many, I have to say these are spoons. Now, who can tell me the spelling of this? Raise your hand if you know the spelling of this. This. I need somebody new to answer. Jitendra answered. Okay, Tejdeep, unmute yourself. Tejdeep.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Tejdeep. Can you tell me what's the spelling of this?
T-H-I-S, this.
Very good. T-H-I-S is this. Okay. Now, only one spoon, I say this. If I have many spoons, I have to say these. And you know what is the spelling of these? T-H-E-S-E. These. Everybody repeat after me. T-H-E-S-E. These. It's not this. You have to drag it. These. Okay. Can Abhilash unmute yourself? Say both the words. This, these.
This is.
Very good. Nivedin, unmute yourself. Nivedin.
Ma'am.
Okay, Nivedin, I have something here with me. What is this?
One flavor, many flavors.
Very good, Nivedin. So, can you say this in a sentence for me? This is a flower.
This is a flower.
And I have many here. So, if it is many, what word will I use?
Many flowers.
Correct. Now, can you use it in a sentence? This is a flower.
This is a flower, many flowers.
Okay, now this is what we want. We have to practice. This is a flower. These are flowers. Can you say the second sentence? These are flowers.
These are flowers.
Okay, repeat that again, Srinivedin.
These are the flowers.
Very good. If I have one, what will I say? Nivedin, if I have one flower, what will I say? Say that in a sentence. This. Can you hear me?
This is a flower.
Correct. This is a flower. Now I will hold on there with you. Who can tell me how will I say flowers in a sentence? What will I say? Raise your hand if you know. Okay, Jitendra, you can try.
These are flowers.
Very good, Jitendra. These are flowers. Now, you know what I want you children to do? I want you, listen carefully. I want you to quickly go into your kitchen, only kitchen, okay? Go into the kitchen and get me any one object, anything from the kitchen. It can be from the fridge, it can be from the shelves, anywhere. Just get me one thing. I'll give you 1 minute time. Quickly go and get one thing from your kitchen. Get up, get up. I need to see everybody move. Kisrafan, you should be moving. Marut. Janish Reddy, go to the kitchen and get me something from the kitchen. Marut. Kisrafan, I need you to get up. Kanak. Oh, you already have one. Okay, let's just wait for the others, okay? Okay, Pratham has got something. Pratham has got a box, looks like it. Charan, is that a banana, Charan? Srujan has a glass. Kanak has spoons with her. Janish Reddy, what is that? Oh, Horlicks bottle. Good. Hasini, what do you have? Is that a potato? Very good, Hasini. Srinivadan, good. I see something different. That's a lemon squeezer, right? That's a lemon squeezer. Good. I'm seeing some unique things here. Tejsvip has a banana. All right. Now, you know what I'm going to ask you to do? One by one, you children are going to show me what you have and say that in a sentence. Okay. And the way you will say is, keep it close to you. Please mute yourself. Keep it close to you like this. Look at Maria ma'am, how I'm going to say. You will say the sentence by keeping it close to you and also keeping it far away like this. This is a box. That is a box. Let me try again. This is an orange. That is an orange. You got it, right? Okay, so let's start from Pratham Joshi. Unmute yourself. Say.
This is bowl.
This is a bowl.
This is a bowl.
And keep it far away.
That is a bowl.
Very good, Pratham. Good job. Charan.
This is a banana. That is a banana.
Very good, Charan. This is a banana. That is a banana. Good job. Good job. The next is going to be Darshika. Darshika, what do you have? Oh, that is a bitter gourd. You know what is that called? It's called a bitter gourd. Tell me, one, this is a bitter gourd.
One bitter gourd.
No, sentence. I need you to say a sentence. This is a bitter gourd.
This is a bitter gourd.
Far away.
That is a bitter gourd.
Very good, Darshika. Okay, next I would like Janish Reddy, unmute yourself. Yes.
This is a orange.
This is a Horlicks bottle.
That is orange.
Very good. Do you drink Horlicks? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, good. Tejdeep, unmute yourself. What do you have?
This is a banana. That is a banana.
Very good. This is a banana. That is a banana. After the class, you can eat that banana also. Okay? I'll just move to the next child. Fahima, what do you have?
I have a tomato.
Say it in a full sentence. This?
This is a tomato.
Now, when you keep it far away, what do you say?
That is a tomato.
Very good. Vedan, what do you have?
This is a lemon squeezer. That is a lemon squeezer.
Very good. This is a lemon squeezer and that is a lemon squeezer. Can you get that and show it to everybody? Get it close to the camera. Okay, do you all see, children? We cut the lemon and we keep one half inside and you press it. When you press it, all the juice from the lemon gets squeezed and it comes down. Okay, good. Good. So listen carefully, children. You can keep your objects down, everyone. Keep all your things down and now pay attention. What is this? This is a spoon, right? What are these? Remember, whenever we have more than one. Now, how many spoons do I have? 1, 2, 3. I have 3. This is more than one. So if it is more, I have to use the word these. What are these? These are spoons. The spoon is close to Maria ma'am, so I will say, these spoons are close to me, so I will say these are spoons. If it is far away, children, listen carefully. If it is far away and there are many, I have to say, very good. Jatinder already knows the answer. Those are spoons. Okay, now I have boxes. These are boxes. These are boxes. Those are boxes. Now, the rest of you, what I want you to do is, what I would like you all to do, children, is take out your textbooks. Everybody, take out your textbooks. Let me see your textbook, everyone, your literacy textbook. Take out your literacy textbook, everybody. And let's turn to page number 82. Page number 82. All right, so I will be giving you some homework today. What we are going to do is this page. Yeah, I will give you some homework. So look at the group where I will be sharing the homework, okay? Good job, everybody. You all did a good job today in the class, okay? So I will see you all tomorrow again then. Thank you, children. You can unmute yourself, everybody now. You can unmute yourself. Thank you. Bye, everybody.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.